Dear viewers, good morning to you all. We have developed e-learning software for teaching both engineering, medical, or even rather the arts and science subjects. This video will show you about how we develop the e-learning software, and also through that how we can teach the subject like Python programming. Let's see the features. This software will have the full content for the topic. Here the topic is about Python programming. So it is an excellent digital teaching tool. If you incorporate this particular this way of technological tool in your institution, definitely the name and fame of an institution will be raised, and you will get more additional revenue also through fees and additional fees. This particular thing will have text, images, videos, voice for each and every step, external reference, additional references, you can get it, and more importantly, the online compiler and AI integration is available here. So these two things are not available in any e-learning software tools. Ours has the online compiler for this Python programming subject and AI integration in general. So from this aspect, I can proudly say that comparing Udemy, Coursera, NPTEL, etc., this is having extra additional many more features for better way of teaching and learning. Let's see the app layout. So this is how once you get into the app, the subjects are listed here. Now you can choose any subject. After choosing that subject, this is the screen area. You will get the content consisting of text, images, graphs, videos, animations, etc. This is the subject area, and this is about the chapter. So as per this university syllabus structure, subject is divided into 5 units. So you can step forward, that is, you can go to the next chapter or unit by clicking this button. You can go forward or you can go backward using these two buttons. And for that particular chapter or unit, the number of topics have been listed here. So topics you can move forward or backward using these two buttons. Here, for that particular topic, this particular thing shows about the number of steps for that particular topic. You can move forward and go back about the steps. And audio voice is also attached for each and every step, but in general it is disabled because we consider this as a teaching tool rather than the learning tool. A teacher will give you the right teach the subject by raising his voice. And this particular tab on the button through that you can get additional information for the topics like this Python programming. Under the first unit and first topic, we have attached online Python compiler through this tab. And more interestingly and importantly, this AI tool we have incorporated. So over and over the content available here, you can get the additional information from here. Comparing these two, extra information can be obtained through the AI, which is not present in any other software tools. Let's see it in action in laptop. Now I am clicking, after clicking this thing in Chrome, I have chosen the Python programming subject. So it shows the number of units from algorithmic to files. Chapter 1 or unit 1 has nearly 45 or 50 plus problems, topics. So this is about the introduction. This introductory part topic has got nearly 6 topics. And here if you click this one, you'll be opening the Python compiler. Now steps forward, steps backward. Clicking this one, online Python compiler is open. So you can copy in the additional information for the topics like problems. You can get the program code for that particular problem. that can be copied and pasted here, that can be run here. Let's see one topic, whether write a program to check whether the given number is prime or not. So this is the problem statement. Now from the extra information tab or button, you will get the text file for that particular code for that particular problem or for particular topic. Now I copied that one. Then here I'll be pasting it. Let me close that one. Okay, now the code is copied. Let me run the program. So while running, enter the number 10. 10 is not the prime. Again, let me rerun it. Now I'll be entering 17. 17 is a prime. So now it is quite evident that this kind of features that we have included in our teaching learning software. So this is about additional information. Maybe next we'll see about the AI tool. So let's see about the AI tool. Now I'll be clicking the AI tool, write a program for swapping two values. So now we'll be getting the explanation and the code for that particular problem statement. So I can copy this here, or I can copy this code from here, I can paste it there. I can paste it in the online compiler. Okay. Now we'll see the action in the 65-inch interactive TV. So here you can choose the unit, you can choose the topic. For the particular topic, you can move the steps in forward or backward direction. So online compiler is open. The video quality may be poor. So whether the given number is prime or not, from the extra information, additional information button, you will be getting the code from our text file, which is stored in the cloud. So code is copied. Let me fast forward it, paste it here. Code is pasted here. The program is run. So through my laptop, let me enter a number. Number is 10 now. 10 is not a prime. Okay, rerun the program. Let me type 17. 17 is a prime. So it's a prime. So this is how the additional information button is useful for getting the code for the problem statement and can be run through the online compiler. The same way, the AI button is also we have provided. Let me show the AI button here. So AI button is clicked here. So we'll be asking the AI to give the information about the topic. So it gives the explanation about that particular problem statement. It gives the code also. Code can be copied and pasted in the online compiler, can be run, and everything can be shown or taught on a live basis here, which is not present in any other teaching learning software tools available in the market. Thank you so much.